Alongside Nzito Kasokol, the EFF President and Commander-in-Chief Julius Malema has taken Ngizwe Mchunu to court. Julius Malema says Mchunu did not follow a court order that was given on the 5th of June 2026. He says Mchunu continued making false and damaging statements about him even after the court told him to stop. Julius Malema is asking the Gauteng High Court in Pretoria to find Mchunu guilty of breaking the court order. He also wants Mchunu to be sentenced to 6 months in prison with no option to pay a fine instead. The court will hear the case on the 17th of June 2026. What I saw on social media is that Mchunu handed himself over to the police, so I don't know if he slept over last night.
You know, I'm bringing another application next week of contempt against Ngizwe. Because Ngizwe, when the interim order was given, he kept on defaming me, he kept on insulting me. He entered the court box, defamed me in front of a judge and all of that. So we cannot have some drunkards from Telezi who think they can just run amok and do as they wish and they're untouchable and act like there's no law in this country. Don't lie about me. I don't sue people for fighting politics with me. You can call me anything you want to call me. Like Ngizwe and them call me Mafinyela, and I can't sue them for that. But just do not lie about my name. I carry my grandmother's surname, and therefore I can't go drag it through a mud. That I sell drugs, that I smoke drugs, that I divorced my wife, that I can't allow that. And I'm not just fighting my battles, I'm fighting battles on behalf of my children who can't fight those battles when their name is being dragged through a mud. You can insult me, disagree with me politically, you don't threaten me, you don't lie about me. Yes. Then we're fine. Yes. Call me anything you want to call me, but you can't threaten me, say you can't enter KZN. Even when Mangosuthu Buthelezi was still alive, even when KZN, IFP was strong in KZN, I was the first one to take the ANC to Nongoma, to go and campaign Nongoma when they declared Nongoma a no-go area. So I can't be told by small boys who don't even know this, such a recent history, they don't know what I'm talking about, that I can't enter. You don't threaten me. I don't do that. I defeat them within the context of the law, within the Constitution. They say no, but he insults people and all of that. They may sound like insults, but when you sit down, you realize it's not insults. He's being robust in his engagement. Yes. That's why you are unable to sue him. Because if he's insulting you, you have all the right to do the same thing. Look, they've got no single right even to arrest illegal immigrants, even to beat them up. It is the police who encourage that thing. It is the police who sponsor it. And if the police are sponsoring it, it means it's the state that sponsors them. There's only a small section of society that is allowed to arrest people, push them out of the country, block them from entering this, is the law enforcement officers. Anyone who touches you, who's not a law enforcement officer, is manhandling you, and you can open a criminal case against such people. So I've got no time for a group of clowns that think they can threaten me. They'll never threaten me. You saw even how I came here. Just me and Vuyane and the guy who drives the car. Because we are in a free country. If you want to kill us for what we think, do it. We'll die with our conscience very clear that this is our views. You can't take them anyway. And someone else will emerge and continue with those views. You'll have to kill that person. So you'll become a perpetual killer.
Asibona amameli sonke futhi akuthini sinemali yokuthi siqashe abameli. Mina ngaqoma ukuyimela ngoba kukho amaphepha afika kimi. Ngabona on social media mina ukuthi lo mnumzane lo usengibophile, yabona. Manje mayise ngibophileke ngase ngihlonipha mina ukuya enkantolo ngomhla ka-19 kuMeyi elapho ke engafike khona ngathola ukuthi kune previous judgment ekhona. And then ke basebesho ukuthi mina ngithi ayingathathwa final ngaliphi konke lokho mina ngangakwazi ukukhuluma nje iqiniso ngangazi yonke leyo nto leyo mina ngoba kwayinhlamba lezo ayisho ukuthi mina ngimthuke ngazo kuyangimangaza mina umnumzana uMalema ukuthi usekubone nini lokho ngoba uyi-role model yawo wonke umuntu okhuluma umathanda wakhe la eNingizimu Afrika kodwa yena akasahambi enkantolo kodwa ngoba washo vele ukuthi inkantolo igijima entendeni esandla sakhe sibonile nomngane wakhe omkhulu ophinda ummeli wakhe futhi eqokwa esikhundleni esikhulu sokuba yijaji ngeke sisho lutho ke uma kuyithuba lakhe lokuthi ajakaje emagcekeni aseNingizimu Afrika kodwa okubalekile kumina ukuthi ngihloniphe inkantolo ke yona ngizoyihlonipha ke ngize ngiyosithela ngoba iyona independent body ukufanele ibe njalo uma kufanele aphile kuyo aphilo kodwa iqiniso sekuthenini mina into eyilandela umthetho kakhulu njengoba bekwenzeka kulesigaba lesi engibhekane naso bengakwazi konke lokho mina ngifocus ekumasheni
abagcina indaba ezitha lapho ubhekene ne-warrant of arrest ungase kuthiwa mhlawumbe ukhalelwa amasongo asigonyela uthini ngalokho
ngixolisile nje ngeke ungihlise ngaphakathi ungibone ukuthi ngixolise ngokweqiniso noma ngaleqiniso ngiyihloniphile inkantolo mina uma iqhubeka yona ifuna ukungibopha mina ngiyaqala mina ukubona inkantolo ezi-emotional because a court should be neutral not have feelings manje ke bona sebefuna mina ngizane ngiguqe phansi ngichaza ngafunyile ukuze bebone ukuthi ngiyaxolisa xolisile kuphelile lapho mabaqhubeka bona abangibophe kodwa ngizocela ukuthi mhlambe ngezi-application yokuthi ngingcono ngiyoboshela emajele aseduze wasekhaya kwaZulu ngiyacela please ngoba mina I'm not a coward mina ngizokhala ngengane ngizokhala ngamuntu bayeki igebe
CIC Julius Malema I mean he's always been a thorn in the flesh according to you guys nani niyam stressa da uyan stressa abuya thina apologize
no mina kangistress mina I think ubut uJulius Malema umholo weFF sometimes he's careless when he talks and he's been like that but mina as indoda yasemakhaya ekhuliswa amadoda ngiunderstand uJulius akazabe nayo baba so that's the problem so sometimes akazi ukuthi uyakhuluma into ayiphikisa there are a lot of videos of him saying things about ama foreigners and ngenxa yokuthi usehambile wayotshala eNigeria wayotshala kwamanye amazwe aseAfrica useshintsha itone because of his interest and benefits he's getting from wherever so ke mina I will never insult him yes wakhuluma ngentelezi I didn't like it that's why he got my attention when he spoke about intelezi because he doesn't know anything about intelezi when he was in court he had to mute emlonyeni wakhe he was not even talking because he was believing that they won't sentence him because he had that muti emlonyeni if he came to me for intelezi I would have helped him so he would win that case because ngalesa sikhathi enza zonke lezi zinto ekhuluma ngendaba yamabhunu nani I was supporting him because abelungu they need to pay back the money abelungu they must pay back the money to South Africans they must do something to help abantu base South Africa ngendlela right singalwi sibacela ukuthi ayemadoda buyani khokhelana abantu abakhona manje because we can do izinto ezilungisa izinto ezonakala kudala but khokhelana abantu abakhona manje the living wages instead of employing because right now uMalema uprotecta bona belungu njobethi abangahanongizwe so ungizwe lokhuza yabo kwi-rally yabo sometimes they've been back and forth ngendaba yokuxabana kwabo Ungizwe is my brother. I will always support him. I love him. I don't subscribe to his views. He's a man. He's a grown-up man. He's got his own opinions. But mina lapha ngisuke nginaye khona. You must always watch. We rehearse what we are going to say because I always protect my integrity and my honesty to the people and also the genuineness of what I do. So angifuni ukuthi ngigcine nami ngibukeka ngathi ngumuntu ngelilanga osho lokhu mina ngisho lokhu. Mina you can go up to 2013. I had Facebook from 20. I've been consistent from that time. So yonke lento no March and March. The reason why I supported March and March is because March and March when she came, Jacinta came with March and March. She came with something that I was already doing. But mina bengekho ku social media kakhulu. Umuntu oze wathi ngibe ku social media angifundisa u social media utshatha. What I went to lezi izinto zenzayo because uzenza lapha abantu bayayithanda. Zithathwe ifake na social media zizosiza nomuntu ongekho eduze kwakho ukuthi understand ukuthi wenzani. And hence u social media ngithe mangena kuona ngo2018 everything changed.
From today until the 30th.
Yeah, or Limpopo Sieza, we are waiting for the people of Limpopo to invite us. Every time you see us somewhere, abantu bakuleyo ndawo they suke bes invite you. And when we are going to be there, the poster must have our picture and we must post it because so asifuna abantu abazokhanda iposter befaka uphakela umthakathi bepost iposter kube nematch bese kuyantshontshwa so we will start suing those people because sesizwile ukuthi khona abantu abenza ama-poster befake mina bethi kuzoba nematch abantu beze lapho then bayasuka bahambe bafuna imali kuma-Pakistani nama-Somalis nabagangana ngabantu so asiyifuni ke leyo so every poster esuke ekuthiwa sizoba khona kuyo you will see a poster. We will be the first to post it and then everybody else can post it because and futhi sizoba khona as